The jewelers at Fernbaughs Diamonds and Fine Jewelry have over 15 years experience in jewelry repair. Here, our jeweler demonstrates how to resize a ring. First, he checks the size of the ring to see how much material he has to remove. Next, the jeweler marks and cuts the size piece he needs to remove to get the proper ring size. In this case, he's sizing down. All repairs done at Fernbaughs are done in our shop and are not outsourced. And new rings that are purchased from Fernbaughs are sized the same day as purchase. Now, the jeweler removes the cut piece and shapes the ring back together in order to heat and reconnect the separated band. Now the ring must be fire coated so that the gold doesn't oxidize. Then the jeweler heats and reconnects the separated pieces. Next, he files the ring to round and remove any sharp edges. Next, the jeweler polishes the ring on a buffing wheel. Last, the jeweler places the ring into a solution and steam dries it to give it a new shine.